All right, 10th class, is this form visible? Google form visible? Yes. Okay, so this was your last test, and I would like to revise with you this test again so that you people can get to know your mistakes, where the marks were deducted. Okay, so let us start. First of all, name, class. Okay, let us solve the paper properly. I'm going in the preview section. I'm filling my name. I am entering in class 10th D, and I am specifying the roll number 1. I click on the next button. I hope whatever I am doing is visible to you. Rayan, I'll ask your doubt later on. Put your hand down right now. Okay. The container tag has only start tag, only end tag, both start and end, no tag. Beta, your first work is to read all the options. Don't be in a hurry to finish it. First, read all the possible options. Then you select the correct option and click on the concerned radio button. And you always assume this. This is A option. This is B. This is C. This is D. Okay. Raina, am I clear, bete? Divyansh, am I clear to you? Gia, 19 roll number. Bache, am I clear? Riyan, am I clear? Okay. So correct answer is both start and end tag. Both start and end tag. Okay. Next, you also revise with me side by side. Keep noting down the correct answers in your notebook. The default alignment of an image is right, left, center, top. बेटा जब भी हम align attribute की बात image tag में करते हैं ना, there are total 5 values. Left and right values are with respect to image. Top, middle, and bottom, these 3 values are with respect to text that will be displayed along with the image. Okay, am I clear? So left is the default value of image. Okay, next, third MCQ. Which of the following combinations of values of type attribute in UL list is valid? Beta, in UL list we have type attribute, and that we know very well that UL list displays the item in bulleted form. So there are 3 type of bullets: disk, square, and circle. So the combination are disk, square, circle, disk, polygon, triangle, disk, square, triangle, disk, hexagon, circle. So first option is the suitable option: disk, square, and circle. Clear? Then, which statement is not true with respect to body tag? Not true means the statement which is false. The statement which is false. Kitanshu, where you are moving? All right. So it is container tag, it is structural tag, it is always inside the it is container tag, it is structural tag. Am I audible clearly? 10th class? Okay. I repeat the MCQ again. Which statement is not true with respect to body tag? It is container tag, it is structural tag, it is always enclosed inside the head tag, it contains actual content of the web page. Beta, body tag is never inside the head tag. So third option is the suitable, and it is not correct with respect to body tag. Clear? the size range of the text in the font tag varies from 3 to 7, 1 to 7, no limit, 3. बेटा 3 is the default size. फॉन्ट का साइज 3 जो है वो डिफॉल्ट साइज है. 3 to 7, no. Yes, 1 to 7 is the range. 1 is the minimum, 7 is the maximum. Okay? Which one is the valid value of align attribute of paragraph tag? बेटा पैराग्राफ टैग के अंदर एक ही एट्रीब्यूट है अलाइन, एंड द वैल्यूज ऑफ अलाइन एट्रीब्यूट आर लेफ्ट, राइट, सेंटर, जस्टिफाई. 3 values are given, so all above. Am I clear with the 6 MCQs? Yes. All right. 7th MCQ. Which statement is syntactically correct? Incorrect. Beta, syntactically means syntax, the way to write. The way to write the statement. Font face equal to Arial. Okay. Font face colon Arial. No. Colon tab aata hai jab CSS की property ho. So this is incorrect. Font size equal to 4. Okay. HR no shade. Beta, no shade means 2D rule will be displayed. 2-dimensional rule. And we never give any value to no shade. No shade is written as it is. No shade. When you will write no shade, 2-dimensional rule, gray color HR will be drawn across the width of the screen. Right? Which one of the following is not a valid tag in HTML? Center tag is valid. Yes. List item is valid. H1 is valid. Align tag. Beta, there is no align tag. Align attribute hai, align tag nahi hai. So this one is invalid. Rayan, am I clear? Good. Which among the following attribute belongs to HR tag? Which among the following belongs to HR tag? Align, width, both A and B, none of A and B. बेटा अलाइन भी एट्रीब्यूट है, विड्थ भी एट्रीब्यूट है, कलर भी एट्रीब्यूट है, साइज भी एट्रीब्यूट है, नो शेड भी एट्रीब्यूट है एचआर का. सो बोथ ए एंड बी. I hope I am totally clear to up till 9 MCQs to all of you. Let me see how many thumbs are up. I am counting the number of thumbs which are up. Prabjot Kaur, 33 roll number. Are you here in the lecture? Prabjot, bete, are you here in the lecture? Vanita, 46 roll number. Next, pick the odd one out. Now, what is odd one out? Any option which looks very unsymmetrical. You have to see the symmetry particularly in the question where you get pick the odd one out. BR, IMG, H3, DT. BR, IMG, DT, they are empty tags. H3, heading element 3 is container tag. So this is odd one. Okay. DD stands for definition description, detail definition, define description, data definition. First option, definition description. There are dash type of list in HTML: unordered, ordered, and definition list. There are 3 lists. Nested list is not a type of list. Dishant, am I clear to you? 9 roll number. HTML tags are predefined. Okay, who will tell the meaning of predefined? Who will tell the general meaning of predefined? You are in 10th class. You might be knowing these journal meanings now. Yes. Meaning of predefined. Yes, Bisam. Unmute yourself, beta.
That they already that the tags already know that they are
Which are
defined that what
already
is the function of the tags,
which are already
and we don't
inbuilt.
have to define.
Which are already inbuilt. Very right. Which are already inbuilt. So HTML tags are predefined. It is 100% true. The attribute of image tag that displays the message in case browser does not display the specified image. Border, src, alt, target. Beta, it is alt, alternate. Alternate attribute of image tag is used to display the message in case your browser is unable to display the relevant image. Okay, UL can be enclosed inside the OL list and vice versa. Vice versa means reverse is also true. We can enclose unordered list inside order list and order list inside unordered list. Both ways are true. So statement is 100% true. Clear? Then 16th MCQ, find out the correct HTML command. Now here you have to find the correct command. UL type equal to disk. Syntactically it is correct. IMG src equal to C drive, pictures folder, name of the picture. Again correct. Body text equal to red. What is the role of text attribute of body tag? What is the role of text attribute of body tag? Yes, Princey, unmute yourself and tell.
Sir, it decides the color of the text in the web page.
Very right, very good, Princey. It decides the color or displays the color of the text. So all the three commands are correct. So all above. Then another name of order list is bulleted list, numbered list, infinite list, alphabet list. It is numbered list. Which of the following set of attributes does not belongs to TR? First of all, recall the attributes of TR in your mind. BG color, background, height, align, V align. Align, V align is there. BG color, background is there. Height is there. Row span, call span are only and only the attributes of TD and TH. So A option. Which among the following is not a valid value of frame attribute of table tag? Box is the value, border is the default value of the frame, above is also the valid value, calls. Beta, calls means columns. This is the value of rules attribute of table tag. Okay, I have a question. What is the difference between frame and rules attribute? What is the difference between frame and rules attribute? Yes. Who will tell? Difference between frame and rules attribute of table tag. Yes, Tanya, unmute yourself. Tanya, 45 roll number.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, beta.
Yes, sir.
Difference between
Sir,
frame and rules attribute, beta.
sir, one of them displays the border around the table and one border around the cell.
Frame attribute deals with the setting of external border and rules deal setting of internal border. So calls is the invalid value of the frame attribute of table tag. Last MCQ, it defines the short descriptive title for the table. Beta, short descriptive title of the table is caption, but no option is here that satisfies the given statement. So none of the above is the answer. Now what you are to do, don't immediately click on the submit button. Do revise your answers, that whether you have marked all the answers correct, then only click on the submit button. Okay, don't be in a hurry to click on the submit button. Carefully revise all the answers, then only click on the submit button. Right? Check all the answers one by one. When you are satisfied, only then you click on the submit button. Otherwise, don't. So I have marked all the answers. Now click on the submit button. As you click on the submit button, you can click on the view score to view your score. See, all answers are correct. You get the score here. 20 out of 20. Am I clear? 10th D, am I clear with all the MCQ revision? Any doubt to any child? Now I think you have get to know your mistakes also. Why your marks were less, where you lose the marks, what were the correct answers. I think now it is totally clear to everyone. Okay. Now I have few questions to ask. So keep on raising hand for the answers. Okay. What is the use of title tag? Yes, Bisam, unmute yourself.
It specifies the title of the web page.
It specifies the title of the web page that will be displayed in the title bar of the browser window. All right. Title tag is enclosed inside the dash tag. Rayan, unmute yourself. Rayan, खुद को unmute करो. Where Rayan has gone? Rayan, unmute yourself, beta.
Sir,
Yes, title tag is enclosed inside dash tag. Yes. Akshat, you answer this question. Unmute yourself.
sir, head tag.
Head tag. Title tag is enclosed inside the head tag. All right. This question is for Saksham. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Name any 4 attributes of body tag.
Text, BG color, background, A-link, V-link.
Okay. Saksham, another question for you. What is the full form of A-link? Yes, Princey, unmute yourself.
Sir, active link.
Active link. Very good. Very good. Okay. Vanita, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Beta, what is the full form of V-link?
Really?
You have any idea about it?
Sir, yes, what you're saying?
Yes, beta, V-link की full form बताइए.
Sir, V-link की full form. Hello, sir.
Visited link. Vanita, visited link, bete.
Okay, sir.
So I hope all the concepts are clear today and revision is totally clear to everyone.